Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Setting reminder on your iPhone helps you keep track of tasks and important events. Whether it's a meeting, a deadline, or a simple to-do, here is how you can set a reminder quickly and effectively. Let's get started. Open the Reminders app. Unlock your iPhone and tap on the Reminders app. If you can't find it, swipe down from the middle of the home screen and type Reminder in the search bar. Next, you create a new reminder. In the Reminders app, tap the New Reminder button at the bottom of the screen, a plus sign in a circle. Now, enter reminder details. Type the title of the reminder in the text feed. You can also add additional details by tapping the small I button next to the reminder. Next is to set a date and time. To set a date and time, tap on the date feed. Use the calendar and the time picker to choose when you want the reminder to alert you. You can also choose to set a location-based reminder by tapping location and entering the desired location. Next, you save the reminder. Once your details are entered, tap Done at the top right corner to save your reminder. Your new reminder will now appear in the list. You can mark it as complete by tapping the circle next to the reminder when the task is done. And that's it, guys. Setting a reminder on your iPhone is straightforward and can help you greatly in managing your tasks and events. Follow these simple steps to ensure you never forget an important task again. Thank you so much for watching. If you found it helpful, please like, comment and subscribe for more quick tips, and I will see you in our next video. Bye bye.